The volume of parallelepiped with coterminal edges as I minus xj minus x square k, I minus I plus j minus k, I minus j plus k is 4 units in the value of x they are asking. So, the formula for volume of parallelepiped V equal to magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar. That is the volume of parallelepiped. So now take A bar, B bar, C bar as edges. Okay, now volume is given V equal to 4. Therefore, box A is equal to 4 only can solve the question. So now I will take the next page. Let us take edges as A bar and B bar and C bar. So what is given V equal to 4? So means magnitude of box A, B, C equal to 4. So that box A, B, C equal to plus or minus 4. Box A, B, C means that 1 minus x, x square, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 equal to plus or minus 4. Now you can solve the determinant. So 1 into 1 minus 1 plus x into 1 plus 1 minus x square into minus 1 equal to plus or minus 4. First term 0, 2x plus 2x square equal to plus or minus 4. X plus 2 cancel with 2 plus or minus 2. So finally you got two equations, x square plus x minus 2 equal 0 or x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So this one factorize x square minus plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. X common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. This will give x equal to 1 or minus 2. So go for next equation, x equal to 1 or minus 2. Other equation here discriminant is b square 1 minus b square minus 4ac, which is 1 minus 8 equal to minus 7 less than 0. No real roots. No real roots. Therefore, finally you can say that x value 1 or minus 2. Finally, x equal to 1 or minus 2. So final answer will be x equal to 1 or minus 2 is the final answer. So answer will be x equal to 1 or minus 2. Check the answer what is given. B 1 comma minus 2 is the right answer.